In this presentation, I will take you across the Bank Nifty option strategy formation tree. So this is a strategy we will be forming based on the monthly analysis of the Bank Nifty. So we are in the end of this July contract and we are entering to the August. So in the month of August, if I introspect the data, so 31st August expiry Bank Nifty. So from the past trailing 1 month, low it has created 23,039 and yesterday it was a high 24,615. Today it is making a new high. So this is how the trend of the Bank Nifty. So I'll just go to the one standard deviation study and from there I'll be finding out specific results. So by just introspecting the data and I got that the real-time estimation of the volatility 9.11%. So I am taking the 30 days estimate. So it is giving me 627 point of price oscillation. So I'll be starting my analysis from 23,039. So if I take this 23,039 price point, so it completes one uptrend cycle at 24,013. So my second cycle start from 24,013. So this is having a potentiality to move beyond 25,027. Currently I am here. So I am in the 25,600 odd and I am below 24,788. And if this trend reverse back, so I am at 0.88 888 above price range. If this trend reverse back, then I can find a support at here 24,253. Further again I will find a second support at 24,161. If it slips further, then it has the trend will change at 23,773 level. So the trend is just going to change 8 or 900 points from the current level. If fall by 800 to 900 points. So looking at this picture, I am just going to form one option strategy. So whatever the things I told you, these all things I have just put it here. So past a trailing 1 month low 23,039, average volatility 9.11. First cycle terminates at 24,013, completes second cycle completes at 25,028. Fall below may fall to 23,625. 11 days it has taken to complete the uptrend cycle, and currently in the 7 days time it has taken to complete, means to achieve the fourth target, third target of the second cycle. So second cycle first target is 24,400, 505, then it is coming to 569. So third target it has completed, fourth target it is approaching for. So for 7 days it has taken from the low to complete the first cycle, it has taken 11 days, and now it is just taken 7 days to complete this thing. So I'm expecting in the coming 4 days it is going to complete the second cycle 25,028. Based on this view, if we are going to form an option strategy having delta neutral approach, means net delta should be 0. So if that approach we are going to follow, then I will be going with this particular strategy 24,630. I will be buying the future and I will buy one 24,600 put option of August at 360. And 25,028 my second cycle is going to be completed, so I will be selling one 25,000 call option at 203. So this will be a covered call with put option long strategy, covered call with put option long strategy. If I go for a theoretical estimation of the profit and loss, so about 25,000, if it maintain throughout the month of August and close at the end of month about 25,000, then I will be making 8,520 profit. If it is falling below 24,000 and by the end of August it is closing below 24,000, then I will be having a loss of 7,600. So this is what the theoretical estimation. What is the most practical estimation of this profit and loss? Currently we are taking 9.11 average volatility. If this volatility maintains at 9 to 9.5%, then I will be getting a profit of 4,500 in the coming 4 days. Once it crosses 25,005. Fall below 24,253, I will be having 2,500 loss. And this will be having maximum 88,000 of margin. I will be holding it for 10 days. So if you are using our software of Smart IT, option strategy software, if you are using, you can very well estimate the profit. If you are using the Smart IT software, you can just go to the appropriate strikes. So I have chosen 24,600 put option because this is the nearest strike to my buy entry. So I will be hedging with that. So if the price fall to 24,139 or 250 below, then this will be at 500 and 600 level. So how much profit I will be making? And same time, if I have sold 25,000 call option and the prices has fallen down and in coming 4 days and it is coming to 24,252 53 level, so it will be getting at 60 rupees. So 199 if I am selling, 200 level if I am selling, I can buy back that option at 60, so I can get some profit here. And same way, if the price falls down, then 24,600 put option also will giving me some profit. Sometime I will be losing some money in the future. In case there is a fall below 24,200, so I have taken the realistic estimate, so it is giving me 2,200 losses. And same time, if it is above 25,028, then it is giving me a profit of 3,440. So I'm just expecting that some amount of time decay may happen in this call option what I have sold. So which may not be having entire 380 rupees as a time value. So it will be having lesser time value. So in that case, my profit little bit it will increase. It goes to 4,500 plus. So if you are using the Smart IT software, using the positional option tool, you can estimate this profit. First, you have to identify the trend. For that purpose, you need to take the help of the one standard deviation. So you can take the Bank Nifty, though it will be giving you the trends from the current level. So you can say positional. So here one standard deviation levels you can get it for the coming 30 days period. So it is by entry and other things it has taken, because it has taken the reference from 24,635. So here too also you will get a trend analysis for the coming 30 days period. So why this strategy is being initiated? The reason is the first cycle it has completed, we are into the uptrend second cycle. So there is no parameter to suspect that it is in the downtrend. Henceforth, I am just recommending this particular strategy of covered call with put option long strategy. And this is delta neutral by the way of the future we bought. So it is having a delta 1. We bought a put option 24,600. It has certain delta. We sold a call option. It has a certain delta. If you sum it of all the delta, it is coming near to 0 level. So this is the reason why I have taken this covered call with the put. Since we are in the mid of the second cycle, I prefer to take the delta as a zero strategy, net delta 0 strategy. So it is having a good risk reward. Take this strategy. Suppose you can find that okay, I have initiated this strategy, and post I initiated the strategy, the Bank Nifty has fallen down to 24,253 level. So after I initiated this particular strategy, the Bank Nifty has fallen down to 24,253 level. So here one limited speculation also you can do. Just wait for this prices to fall below 24,253 level till 24,162 level. So if the prices after you initiate the strategy is falling to this level, take a bit of small risk and just close the 25,000 call option what you have sold. So 25,000 call option what you have sold, close it up in the profit and hold the future long with the 24,600 put option long. If the prices is not falling below 23,773 and prices is bouncing back from here and going to 24,400 up, again going to 24,500, again rewrite that 25,000 call option, rewrite that 25,000 call option at that particular time. If prices bouncing back from here and touching this 24,500 level. So one small speculation also you can do without closing the entire strategy. After you initiate the strategy, if the price is falling down, it is coming to 24,253 below and above 24,162 in this zone. If it is falling down, close this 25,000 call option but you have sold at 200 rupees. So at that particular time you may be getting that price as around 50 to 60 rupees, close it and book a profit of 160 point or 150 points in the sell side of the option. Hold the trade. If the prices are not falling below 23,773 and bouncing back, then you need to again rewrite the 25,000 call option once the price move beyond 24,500. By this process you can enhance the profit. And if it is not stopping here and giving a downtrend breakout at 23,773, you need to close your strategy, and that time your losses may increase by 20 or 30 points. So once this downtrend breakout has given, so think of initiating a covered put with call option strategy. That will be also beneficial. So if you stick to only the covered call with put option strategy or covered put with call option strategy, these two also make you a consistent profit maker in the market. So follow this strategy for the coming 5 to 10 days and give your experience on this particular strategy. And if you wish to understand the options in detail, when to initiate what kind of strategy and when to take benefit of what strategy, then you must go with our option strategy course. So it comes with our option strategy software, or you can go for the course which doesn't accompany the software. So if you are going for the option strategy course without the real-time software, it costs you only 3,000 rupees. However, if you wish to go with the course with the real-time option strategy software, it will cost you 10,500 rupees. So this is the product which can help you to make money in the option strategy. Stick to the option strategy. Long run, it will be beneficial for your portfolio. Any query is associated with the product, please call to this particular numbers, our sales numbers. Register in our website in this particular link, or below we have given the register link. Any one link you can click and register in our website so that your info will be with us. And these strategies, whatever I am forming, this will be sent to you by email and it will land in your email box. If you think that these informations are valuable for your trading, so better register here so that your info will be available with us and we can able to communicate with you through the emails. And our emails is pertaining to the educational purpose, so information purpose. Henceforth, it will be highly valuable for you if you can register yourself so that you can get information about many different strategies, many different activities of smart finance. Invite your friends to register in our website so that they should also take the benefit of this particular product. You can get many fantastic free resources from our website. Just go to our website. If you click here, today's stock and index future trend using the 1 standard deviation, you will come to know that how many stocks in the uptrend, how many stocks in the downtrend, how many stocks has given gap up, gap down, and how many stocks has opened between the buy and sell entry of the one standard deviation trend. So those stocks names you can get, and if you are using our software, you can able to generate the trend levels of this particular software. However, if you do not wish to take the software, just wish to get the information about the stocks which are in the uptrend and downtrend, you can very well use this particular feature of our website.